Welcome to the complete computer education. In this video we can discuss about computer BIOS, basic input output system. This video is especially for those students who is doing any kind of examination of computer hardware, networking or regarding computers. So these are shortcut keys for opening boot menu keys and BIOS keys. These all keys are followed to open setup and boot menu. So if you want to open boot menu of your system, so you will be able to boot your system by hard drive, CD-ROMs and network boot. If you want to format your computer, so you will follow the CD-ROM and select your CD-ROM and insert the CD from the CD-ROM, and you will select CD-ROM drive, and you will be able to format your computer, and your computer will be read CD-ROM drive first, then other drives. If so, this is the basic procedure to boot menu. If you want to boot up your computer from these type of drives, so you will easily follow these options. Now we're going to the next. If you want to format your computer by pen drive or flash drive, so you will select the removable disk drive. And if you want to select your if you want to format your computer by CD-ROM or DVD-ROM, so you will be selected 3, number of 3. And if you want to format your computer and you want to boot your computer by the network, so you will select number 4. So then you hit enter, so your computer follow their instructions and you will be able to do this. This windows is BIOS setups, and you will see the date of time, and if you want to change your date of time of your computer, so you will be able to do. And now you can see the floppy disk drive A and B. So the A and B is always reserved from BIOS and computer systems, and Windows always read C drive from hard disk. Your computer hard disk is always started from C drive, so A or B is always reserved from floppy disk drive. So A drive is always 3.5 floppy disk drive, and B drive is 5.5 floppy disk drive. So it's always reserved from Microsoft, and your hard disk will be started from C drive. And if you have 4 partition in your drive, so C, D, E and F. So now we can discuss about primary and slave drives, secondary master, secondary slave. So this is the earlier version of BIOS. So you will see the primary disk drive, IDE connector hard disk drive. If you have a latest computer, if you have a latest motherboard, so you will see on your setup SATA disk drive, and you will able to follow these options to select your hard disk and detect your hard disk. We having a 5 tabs: main, advanced, security, boots and exit. If you want to exit the setup, so you will be save your settings, then you will exit your system setup. Boot your computer automatically, so you will follow the bootable keys. So the boot menu selected, and you will follow this selected drive for boot your computer. But if you want to manually select your drive for boot, so these boot keys, and you want to enter the setup and come to the boot tab and follow the first boot device and select the first boot device CD-ROM. If you want to format your computer by the CD-ROM, if you want to format your computer network by the network, and if you want to format your computer by removable disk, so you will select the removable disk, come to the boot menu, F10 key for save these settings and exit. You can see the sidebar, you can see the specification helps is provided for us by the BIOS. BIOS will be provided for us the help menu. Specification, you will see on the specification and follow the instruction to change the value of the options of boot menu. And you can see the down of the Windows, F1 to help, escape to exit, down arrow key, up arrow key, enter to select sub menu, F10 to 7 exit. So these are keys as follows. We can save our settings and change the value. It is easy for change the value of iOS system setup, and you will boot your computer. If you want to select the first boot device like CD-ROM drive, so if you want to select CD-ROM drive for the format your computer, so hit F10 and then save configuration change and exit now. Then you can hit enter. So these configuration will be saved